Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video, you will know. So guys, I'm using Color Story. I like for my A5 and B6 to match when I can. And I'm using this washi from Simply Gilded and a few other icons and stuff in my planner. So I'm gonna just go ahead on and get started. So I picked this like date washi so that I can put the days of the week. I think it's perforated. Yeah, it is. After a hard tug, I got it loose. I'll clean this up on the sides. Why don't I have my tweezer, y'all? You think I'd have learned by now? And Tombow. I'm ready, y'all. Usually I'll be having to look for it, but I actually have it today. So I just gotta use it, okay? Alright, so that's Friday. We go to Thursday. The way it's set up is starting on a Saturday, so I have to go back when I get to Sunday, so on and so forth. This is very cool, you know. So you always have date covers for your planner. This one giving me a hard time. Monday. And now Sunday. Look, I'm just tearing the washi up. And there you have it. Put this to the side. And so I wanted to use my bow line, which is also perforated. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom of each one. I'll rip that one. Grr. That's alright. Everything don't gotta be perfect. It would be nice if it was, but that's not how life is. Therefore, look at that. Some of them perforate. Y'all, technical difficulties is trying to give me fits on today, but I bind it up in the name, because ain't nobody got time for that. Bind it up in the name of Jesus. Come to order, camera phone. So I don't have my X-Acto knife, so I'm using my little baby ruler and everything. I gotta put it up here. I like these colors together. It be like that sometimes, guys. Like sometimes when you recording, everything just don't run smooth, but you gotta just keep pushing on, you know. Like things are gonna happen, and they will happen. So, like I said, I wanted to use this. Hooray for the weekend. And when you don't use your stickers, they start to get old and crazy. So when you get your stickers, use them. Don't hoard them. Because then they end up wasting and you can't use them. So that's why I really am trying not to buy any more sticker books until I finish the ones I have. I know she got on the scarf, y'all, but it's Saber First Coffee, and also this is my planner. Oh. She drinking her cocoa. Okay. I'm gonna cut this. I like doing that. And I'll cut this in half. I have this plan sticker. Both sides. See, I'm gonna mess up my hooray for the weekend sticker. Oh, I done ripped it. It gotta stay down. Okay, so isn't she cute? She is too cute. Even though y'all know I ain't going nowhere. I want to put this girl with the bicycle on here because I had her on my other spread. So there's that. And my Coffee and Jesus sticker. I love that sticker. So I'm looking for this so I can do my numbers before I forget. I'm ready for summer to be over. It's just hot. And we can't get in the pool because of the Rona, so, you know, ain't nobody checking for summer this year. Maybe next year they'll have everything back to normal and we can get in the pool next summer. The coronavirus be eradicated, etc. We can pray, we can hope. So y'all keep summer in your prayers. Oh, my War Binder Wednesday sticker. Yes, I owe Trika some War Binder Wednesday stickers. I'ma get you, girl. I'ma get you. Because it is my fault. So I'm gonna get you some War Binder Wednesday stickers. And I want to put another one of my cat sticker here, because he usually around when I'm recording, so he deserved to be on the spread. Okay. Okay. And I want to put one of these Bibles down. Fire Bible. See that? Let me see if I'm... Okay, here I go. For my mom's Bible study on Tuesday. I need some trash stickers. I know I have some. I just didn't pull them out. So, yeah, this is it, guys. This is the completed spread. So if you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give your girl a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye!